On behalf of TaylorMade and Aide, we truly appreciate your participation in Hack Golf's 15-inch cup program. The following video is a how-to on the best way to cut a 15-inch cup, the maintenance involved when using a 15-inch cup, and some of the best practices that we have found to be helpful when installing, using, and removing a 15-inch cup. Cutting a 15-inch cup unquestionably has its fair share of challenges. Please be aware that the hole cutter that we have supplied is still a prototype, and we are continuing to make changes and look for feedback on how to improve this process. As part of TaylorMade's 15-inch cup beta program, please pass on your information on how the process is going to 15inchcup@paraide.com. First, let's review the actual cutting of the 15-inch cup. The items you will need to cut the cup are the 15-inch cup cutter and a 2-foot by 2-foot piece of plywood board or similar material. Cutting a 15-inch cup using the traditional twisting method will be very challenging. Therefore, we have designed the hole cutter blade with reinforcements that allow the operator to stomp or jump on the blade to drive it into the turf. The blade is designed to cut the plug 3 1/4 inches deep. When this depth is reached, work the hole cutter from side to side to loosen up the plug. When the plug has been loosened, you should now be able to twist the hole cutter to break the plug free. Next, lift the hole cutter straight up to lift the plug out of the hole. The plug will be quite heavy, so have your 2-foot by 2-foot board nearby to eject the plug. We also suggest marking the plug with a piece of paper or other method to ensure the correct plug is replaced on the correct green. Once the plug is removed and marked, the 15-inch cup can easily be inserted into the hole without the use of a cup setter. Simply press the cup in with your hands or feet until it sits approximately 1/4 inch below the surface of the green. Depending on the cup type, metal or plastic, removing it from the green is quite easy. For a plastic cup, all that is needed is a flathead screwdriver. There are holes in the bottom of the plastic cup that you can use to lift it out with the screwdriver. For the metal cup, simply grab the neck in the center and pull up to remove. Replace the plug by sliding it off the board and into the hole, and then repair the plug and clean the area just as you would a regulation cup plug. Finally, we have included 2 cup plugs, which may be green or white, that can be inserted into the cup for use when mowing or spraying your greens while the 15-inch cup is still in play. The cup plug allows for the 15-inch cup to be mowed over with any size greens mower without damaging the green or the cup. Through this beta testing, we are working hard towards improvements of the 15-inch cup, the cutting process, and its playability. We cannot emphasize enough how critical your feedback is to the success of this program. Please forward your comments on all aspects of the 15-inch cup to 15inchcup@paraide.com. Or, if you have any questions that require immediate attention, Aide can be reached at 888-893-2433.